Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are planning to buy an epilator and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. An epilator is an electronic device that removes multiple strands of hair by pulling them out from the skin. As it is a standard device, you will find many options offline as well as online. If you are unsure which brand you should buy, then here is the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best epilator brands in India. All these brands of epilator are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.